pad and strap is not the only way that you can wear the Kip-Kit. The Kip-Kit can equally well be held in place with your favourite scarf, using a simple knot which is secured by the folding cleat. There may well be occasions where you're held up for longer periods, for instance between flights where you're stuck in an airport and where so often the seating discourages you from lying down. Here, the friction of your back against the seat effectively locks the scarf in place, and the head loads are taken on your shoulders. This is one of the most comfortable ways to use your Kip-Kit, and you'll easily be able to relax in this way. The Kip-Kit is available in two forms: the full package with the strap and pad, or the simpler version with the Kip-Kit only. Either way, the Kip-Kit will transform your travelling experience for the good and give you many years of service.